Hi, my name's Brianne, and I'm here to introduce you to the Exerpeutic Folding Magnetic Upright Bike. Now, as a trainer, I want to let you know this is an excellent tool for shedding fat, burning calories, and increasing your cardiovascular health, all within the comfort of your own home. It is easy to store and super comfortable. All right, let's hop on and get started. First, you want to make sure that you are able to adjust those foot straps to your foot size, which is not only going to ensure comfort, but a safe ride. Starting from the ground up, you're going to be in a nice neutral position. This wide seat allows you to sit comfortably, and what I love about this bike is that you are actually in a very comfortable upright position right off the bat. You're going to grab onto the handlebars, relax your shoulders away from the ears, and keep those abs super tight. Now remember, this bike is designed for all sizes. Next, let's take a look at the monitor. Now in front of you, you have a large, easy to read, performance LCD monitor. As a trainer, there's a lot of measurables that I like to track with my workouts and my clients' workouts. In front of you, you have the ability to see your heart rate, your speed, your calorie burn, and your total time, and your distance. That allows you to not only track your workouts, but progress your workouts and hit your goals. One of my favorite features is the 8-level magnetic tension control system. This is going to allow you to challenge yourself and never get bored. But remember, as you get fitter, you got to crank up that tension to keep challenging your body. Now, as you can see, this is an absolutely incredible bike. It folds up to half its size. It's super easy to store. What are you waiting for?
Looking for an effective way to burn calories and get in better shape but don't have much room? The XTERRA Fitness FB150 folding bike is the perfect exercise tool to help you comfortably pedal away the calories. To ensure a smooth and sturdy workout, the FB150 utilizes our solid X-frame design with thick steel tubing and a silent belt drive system. Challenge yourself with 8 levels of resistance while you easily keep track of all of your workout data with the easy-to-use console. It provides feedback on your speed, distance, time, calories, and pulse, along with a convenient scan feature. Make your workouts more effective by easily monitoring your heart rate with a handlebar-mounted hand pulse sensors. For improved comfort, the FB150 provides a large anatomically designed thick padded seat and large multi-grip padded handlebars. With folded dimensions under 17 inches by 18 inches and built-in transport wheels, it allows you to store it away when not in use and free up valuable floor space. Start the journey towards achieving your fitness goals today with the XTERRA Fitness FB150 folding bike.
Welcome to Impex. This is the Marcy Foldable Upright Bike, a great compact cardio machine for a high-intensity workout. Let's take a look. Before we start using our bike, let's take a look at some of the amazing features that come included. Towards the front of the bike, we have a panel that helps us keep track of important stats, like time, speed, distance, odometer, and calories. The adjustable seat and pedals make sure we're comfortable as we ride the bike. Depending on your height, you are going to want to adjust the seat distance from the pedals. For our pedals, we'll snap the strap to fit comfortably around our foot. Now that we're done, we can start pedaling. The soft grip handles are just another added level of comfort so you can focus on your workout. If you're looking to increase the intensity of your workout, the resistance knob is located below the panel. Will quickly let you choose from 8 levels of difficulty. Finally, when you're done with your workout, quickly fold the bike and store it away. It's an awesome addition to a fitness center, especially if you are working with a small space.